This is our parade. And that is my sister Oli. Philippines din yung nire-represent niya. Honor ceremony. Then the kinder. Then the grade 1. Then the grade 2. And my Thessalonians. And then the last grade 4. Di na ako nag-costume dahil kasama naman ako sa doxology. Okay. This is my pictures when I was on the stage. Together with my classmates and my performance.
Representing South Korea. Japan and Laguda representing Mongolia. And representing Turkey. My name is Vanessa Crystal Newton Mako, representing Thailand. Sa Barangay, my name is Atina Luis M. Sajari, representing Egypt. Judici M. Santos, representing Mexico. My name is Misha Jane Melbourne Lim, representing China. Representing USA.
This is my Rampa performance representing Philippines.
My name is Mat Orisidi Buban, representing Philippines. My name is Jesus John J. Miller, representing from India.
Saan man magtungo, tuwing nalulambay, hinawa ng puso, itong aming dasal, kapag naliligaw, kami akayin mo, sa landas na pasto, kung saan matulong sa
sandali
sa araw at gabi,
tulaw namin kung aming dasal,
kapag naliligaw,
habang nasa mundo kami akayin mo kung saan patungo sa iyo. Panalangin namin kami ay mapanalangin na kahit sa dilim ako'y makita ang liwanag ng
It's my turn, Kuya. Got my costume, saya. And here's my performance.
Hola, buenos días a todos. Mi nombre es Aliana Chelsea Alcántara. Muchas gracias. Soy de España. My name is Natalie A. Forfania, Korea.
Kuya, tingnan mo yung lampa ko.
My name is Micaela Olivi Buban, representing Philippines.
Look at my classmates
Yuri
too.
Areli Chisaranto from Korea. Johanna Eyase Araha, Colombia. Hello guys, my name is Tinge Ponce. I'm representing India. Ako po si Marga Biligaspi. Tapos po, Miss England. Amaya Wasam. Awaisha. Guys, my name is Mike Lambert Mante, China. My name is Japan. Hi. Ni hao, my name is Nina Erlabas Pandawa. I represent China. Good job.
This is our picture compilation. See you next year.